Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the problem is Word, not the hardware. First, type in Notepad or a browser. If that works, Word is the issue. Next, open the document and toggle over type and track changes so modes aren't blocking input. Once done, launch Word in safe mode. Hold Control while starting Word to bypass add-ins. If typing returns, make sure to disable the offending add-in before continuing, because add-ins commonly intercept keystrokes. Now that you isolated add-ins, move to deeper repairs. Run Office Quick Repair from Programs and Features. If that doesn't restore typing, run Online Repair, which reinstalls core files. Also rename the normal .m template in your user profile to force Word to rebuild default settings. This removes corrupted macros. Make sure Office and Windows updates are installed, because a recent patch or driver mismatch can break input. Once updates complete, if Word still won't accept typing, create a new Windows user account and open Word there. Profile corruption often causes persistent problems. If the new profile works, migrate your documents. Otherwise, uninstall and reinstall Office, but backup templates and custom dictionaries first. As a final measure, run System File Checker, SFC/Scano, and DISM to repair Windows files that Office relies on. Troubleshooting tip. If issues persist after reinstall, test an external keyboard. Sometimes hardware faults mimic software failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.